In today's rapidly shifting economic landscape, achieving financial prosperity has become a central goal for many, yet it often feels like navigating through a dense fog. Recent statistics reveal a startling reality. Nearly 78% of American workers live paycheck to paycheck, a figure that highlights the precarious financial footing on which too many of us find ourselves. This challenge is compounded by the inflationary pressures that have seen the cost of living soar, squeezing budgets and making the dream of financial freedom seem ever more elusive. Yet amidst these challenges lies a potent truth. The path to riches is not solely about the hustle to earn more, but equally about the wisdom to manage better. Take, for example, the story of Anna and Roberto, a couple who found themselves drowning in debt despite earning a combined six-figure income. Their breakthrough came when they realized that their sporadic attempts at saving and investing were being undermined by their daily spending habits. By adopting a more mindful approach to their finances, focusing on budgeting and cutting unnecessary expenses, they not only cleared their debt but also started on the road to building substantial savings. This video is more than just a guide. It's a personal coach aimed at helping you identify and eliminate the financial behaviors that are holding you back. It's about shifting focus from merely making money to making your money work for you. With practical advice grounded in the latest financial insights, this piece is tailored to navigate you through the complexities of modern personal finance, turning obstacles into stepping stones towards your financial independence. As we embark on this journey together, remember, the quest for wealth is not just about the destination, but also about transforming your relationship with money. By exploring these 5 critical behaviors to stop, you're not only paving your way to financial success, but also unlocking the doors to a life of abundance and fulfillment. 1. Stop ignoring your financial education. In our rapidly evolving financial landscape, staying uninformed is akin to navigating a ship in stormy seas without a compass. Astoundingly, a 2023 report revealed that a mere 34% of Americans feel confident about their financial literacy, underscoring a vast knowledge gap in an area critical to our livelihoods. This isn't merely about understanding how to save, it's about grasping the principles that enable your money to grow, safeguarding your future against unforeseen economic squalls. Imagine Lisa, a young professional who, like many, thought stock market investing was a realm for the elite. Her perception shifted dramatically after she decided to attend a free online financial literacy course. Within months, Lisa transitioned from a novice to confidently making her first investment in a mutual fund, guided by the knowledge that diversified investments are key to minimizing risk. This shift wasn't just financial, it was empowering, providing her with control over her financial destiny. Your journey to financial literacy might start with grasping the basics of budgeting, but should expand to understanding complex markets and investment strategies. The digital age brings the global economy to our fingertips, making it essential to stay informed about financial trends and how they can impact your personal finance strategy. Engaging with podcasts, online courses, and financial news can demystify the financial world, transforming it from a maze of complexities into a structured path to personal wealth. This narrative directly speaks to you, emphasizing that irrespective of your current financial situation, enhancing your financial literacy can unlock doors to opportunities previously thought out of reach. Whether through self-study, formal education, or practical experience, each step taken towards understanding finance is a step towards security and prosperity. Commitment to making financial education a lifelong journey, recognizing that in the world of personal finance, knowledge is not just power, it's profit. 2. Stop postponing savings and investments. In the whirlwind of daily life, it's easy to push savings and investments to tomorrow, next month, or even next year. Yet the sobering reality is that a staggering 28% of Americans have no retirement savings at all, with many more significantly behind on their financial goals. This isn't just about securing a comfortable retirement, it's about creating a financial buffer that can withstand life's unexpected turns. Consider Mark and Linda, a couple in their 30s who always thought there would be plenty of time to save for the future. Like many, they found themselves living paycheck to paycheck, assuming investments were for the financially affluent. However, after attending a personal finance workshop, they realized the magic of compound interest and how starting small could dramatically impact their financial future. They began by setting aside just $100 a month in a low-cost index fund, Fast forward 20 years, and that seemingly modest investment grew exponentially, providing them with a nest egg they never thought possible. The lesson here is clear. The best time to start saving and investing was yesterday. The next best time is today. With tools like automatic transfers to savings accounts and investment platforms that allow you to start with as little as $5, there's no reason to delay. It's about making your future self a priority. This narrative isn't designed to overwhelm, but to inspire. Whether you're 20, 40, or even 60, it's never too late to begin. By setting realistic goals and taking advantage of investment vehicles like IRAs, 401ks, and ETFs, you can start building a more secure future. Remember, it's not about the amount you start with. It's about taking that first step and making it a consistent part of your financial plan. 3. Stop living beyond your means. In today's society, where social media often blurs the lines between need and want, living beyond your means has become a common trap. A report from the Federal Reserve revealed that nearly 1 in 4, or about 25%, of Americans reported spending more than they earned, leading to a precarious financial balance that could topple with the slightest nudge. This isn't just about cutting out luxury coffee. It's about building a lifestyle that your finances can sustainably support. Let's talk about Emily, a young professional who found herself caught in the cycle of credit card debt, living paycheck to paycheck despite a decent salary. Emily's turning point came when she meticulously tracked her spending, revealing that small, seemingly inconsequential purchases were cumulatively denting her budget. By prioritizing her expenses and adopting a more minimalist lifestyle, Emily not only climbed out of debt but also started saving for her first home. This tale is a testament to the power of living within your means. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about aligning your spending with your values and financial goals. Tools like budgeting apps can offer a clear view of where your money is going, making it easier to identify areas for adjustment. Setting up automatic savings can also help by treating your savings account like another non-negotiable expense. The essence of this message is to foster a mindset shift from viewing budgeting as a constraint to seeing it as a pathway to financial freedom. It's about making informed choices like opting for a used car over a new one, or choosing an affordable vacation that doesn't plunge you into debt. Remember, wealth isn't about the money you earn, but the money you keep. 4. Stop letting fear control financial decisions. In the realm of personal finance, fear can be a formidable adversary. It's the invisible force that often holds us back from taking steps toward our financial goals. Recent studies suggest that more than 60% of Americans are too afraid to invest in the stock market, viewing it as too risky despite its potential for higher returns over time compared to traditional savings accounts. Consider the story of Ben, a diligent saver who kept his savings in a bank account because the idea of investing seemed daunting and fraught with risks. His turning point came when he realized that his money was slowly losing value due to inflation and barely growing in his savings account. With guidance, Ben started with small, low-risk investments, gradually overcoming his fear as he educated himself on the market's workings. Today, his diversified portfolio is a testament to the power of conquering fear to make informed financial decisions. This narrative underscores a critical lesson. Letting fear dictate your financial decisions can cost you dearly in the long run. Instead of succumbing to fear, embrace education as your shield. Understanding the basics of investing, the importance of diversification, and the historical performance of the stock market can demystify the process and reduce anxiety. Moreover, remember that starting small can still lead to significant gains. Automatic investment plans that invest a fixed amount monthly can help mitigate risk and build confidence over time. The key is to move forward step by step, turning fear into a catalyst for growth rather than a barrier. It's essential to recognize that risk is a part of financial growth, but it can be managed through knowledge and a well-thought-out plan. By stepping out of your comfort zone and making informed decisions, you're not just investing in the market, you're investing in your future. 5. Stop neglecting to plan for the future. In a world that's constantly changing, failure to plan for the future is like setting sail without a compass. Surprisingly, a 2022 study found that nearly 40% of Americans have no long-term financial plan in place, highlighting a widespread oversight with potentially profound consequences. This isn't just about retirement, it's about being prepared for whatever life throws your way. Take the story of Sophia and Carlos, a couple who always lived in the moment, enjoying life's pleasures without much thought for the future. It wasn't until Carlos faced an unexpected health scare that they realized how unprepared they were for emergencies, let alone retirement. This wake-up call propelled them into action. They started by setting clear financial goals, creating an emergency fund, and contributing to their retirement accounts. Fast forward a few years, and they're not only financially secure, but also confident in their ability to handle life's uncertainties. This narrative emphasizes an essential truth. Planning for the future is non-negotiable. It begins with setting tangible financial goals. Whether that's saving for a house, preparing for unforeseen expenses, or securing a comfortable retirement, tools like online calculators can help estimate how much you need to save, while automated savings plans ensure you're consistently working towards your goals. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to tailor a plan that fits your unique situation. By taking the reins of your financial future today, you're not just ensuring security for yourself, but also for those you love. Let's shift our mindset from seeing financial planning as a daunting task to viewing it as a roadmap to a secure and fulfilling future. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.